Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glucometers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Accu-chek Compact Plus Diabetes Monitoring Kit. Diabetics know firsthand how the whole procedure of taking a blood sample is fiddly and uncomfortable. However, if there's nothing they can do about it and have to check blood sugar levels on a regular basis, or even several times a day, they've got no choice but deal with it. The Accu-chek Compact Plus Meter Kit has been designed to make this process much easier for those who need to check their blood sugar levels on a regular basis, removing the necessity to go visit a specialist while allowing anyone to do all of the necessary tests at home without anybody's help. The Accu-chek glucose meter is a modern device with a big display and 3 control buttons. It is comfortable to hold in your hand and quite easy to use, so those who are often intimidated by using high-tech devices should still find this one to be convenient. The large display clearly shows the test results in an easy-to-read manner, so those who may have bad eyesight should still be able to see their test results without a problem. Moving on, at number 4 we have the iHealth Smart Wireless Gluco Monitoring. The iHealth Wireless Smart Gluco is a high-tech single-user glucose meter that gives you all testing results in seconds, right on a display of your smartphone. As tiny as this device is, the iHealth Smart Gluco can accompany you on trips, providing accurate blood samples in less than 5 seconds. In the box you will find 10 lancets, the device itself, a manual book, and a travel pouch for comfortable transportation of all these essentials. The design of the unit gives it a well-made appearance, so no worries about having a cheap-looking device here. It's surely been created to give you instant resemblance of iOS devices, with the same slim, white, elaborate, and stylish aesthetic. Yet, the company's made a big leap, making it much more user-friendly and cross-platform than most other glucometers. At number 3, we have the OneTouch Ultra 2 System Kit. Having diabetes can make life difficult in many ways, but there are certainly a few ways to help make life a little bit easier. One of these ways is to have a highly reliable and accurate glucometer that you can use on your own to regularly test your blood sugar levels. The OneTouch Ultra 2 is one such device that will come in handy for all customers who are looking for a way how to live after diabetes and to live comfortably. This device offers ease of use and convenience that either matches or tops most other models, making it a comfortable choice for those who need a device that is easy to use and won't take significant chunks of time out of your day for regular testing. The device itself is pretty compact and will easily go in a bag if you need to carry it somewhere and do your tests while out and about. The display on it is quite large and the testings are easy to read, which will be a great help to those who may have problems with their eyesight, something that is common for those who suffer from diabetes. At number 2, we have the Active Forward Contour Next EZ Diabetes Testing Kit. The main thing to look for when selecting a glucose meter is accuracy and the possible deviation in the results. For many people, even minor percentages that deviate from the true readings may be life-threatening. In cases like this, the Contour Next EZ glucometer will satisfy the needs of all types of patients and deliver 100% testing results at all times. This device has an extremely high reading accuracy of 0.6 microliter from 20 to 600 milligrams per deciliter, making it one of the most accurate models that we have seen to date. Those who require absolute accuracy will certainly want to take a good look at this model. This glucometer might have slightly shorter storage memory compared to the others, but what it doesn't lack for sure is precision of the results. Even if you were on a plane, heading to Paris or London, and had to quickly check your blood sugars, the device wouldn't fail and in the same short 5 seconds flash up with the readouts. And finally, at number 1, we have the DSS Precision Extra Blood Glucose Meter Kit. A glucometer should be simple to use, and that's a fair statement regarding the Precision Xtra device. This meter has been produced to facilitate the process of checking blood sugar levels, saving you the trouble of going to the doctor and making it possible to take tests at home at any time you need, just after getting up or in between meals, etc. The Precision Xtra glucose meter is named so after incredibly large size of its screen, as well as its ultra-accurate readings results. The unit can store up to 450 last testings, so that you can check yourself afterward for any period of time and compare the levels of sugars. All data can be transferred to PC via a cable included. The Precision Xtra glucometer is a straightforward and user-friendly device that anyone can easily figure out how to use, even those who are often allergic to high-tech devices. You won't find any sophisticated controls here. The 3 big buttons are clearly marked and allow for easy navigation through the menu, with help messages included. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.